Want to create a Smurf account but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Smurf account in Mobile Legends. Before we start, what exactly Smurf account is? Players use alternative accounts, also known as Smurf accounts, for several reasons. One of the reasons is that Smurf account allows players to play with friends who are at a lower skill level and avoid losing ranking on their primary account. You can connect your primary account with Smurf account by connecting it with Moonton account. Now let's get started. First, go to Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar and type parallel space. Tap on the install button. After you have installed, tap on open button. Tap on agree and continue button. Again tap on continue button. Allow parallel space to access the device location. Tap on allow. Then again tap on allow. Now tap on start button. Select Mobile Legends and then tap on parallel space button. Now tap on accept button. Let's wait for the game to load. After the loading is finished, create your account. Enter your name, select your country, and your gender. And tap on OK button. Now complete all your tutorials. In the tutorial, we will have to complete 3 or more than 3 gameplays. Since this video is about creating a Smurf account, I'm fast forwarding the gameplay part. Now your new account has been created. You can switch your account by connecting it to Moonton account, and that's how you can create a Smurf account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.